From muscles to nerves, anatomy is the study of the body's structure. In this video, we'll explore essential words related to human anatomy, with definitions, examples, and images. Let's learn the language of the body. Nervous is adjective, characterized by or affecting the nerves, relating to the nervous system or its functions. Easily agitated, anxious, or apprehensive, prone to feeling uneasy or tense. She felt nervous before her job interview, worrying about making a good impression. The doctor diagnosed her with a nervous stomach, attributing her digestive issues to stress and anxiety. The loud noises from the construction site made the dog nervous and jittery. The child's nervous laughter betrayed her discomfort in unfamiliar social situations. He had a nervous habit of tapping his foot whenever he felt anxious or stressed. Lymphatic as adjective, relating to or containing lymph, a colorless fluid containing white blood cells that bathes the tissues and drains through the lymphatic system. Showing or characterized by sluggishness or lethargy, as if affected by a malfunction of the lymphatic system. A healthy lymphatic system is essential for immune function and overall well-being. The lymphatic vessels play a crucial role in transporting lymph throughout the body. Lymphatic drainage massage can help reduce swelling and promote healing after surgery. Some yoga poses are believed to stimulate the lymphatic system and improve circulation. Chronic fatigue syndrome is often associated with symptoms of lymphatic congestion and sluggishness. Integumentary as adjective, pertaining to the outer layer or covering of an organism or structure, relating to or serving as a covering or protection, especially in anatomy, referring to the integumentary system, which includes the skin, hair, nails, and glands. Mammals have diverse integumentary adaptations, such as fur, hooves, and claws, suited to their respective environments. The integumentary system plays a crucial role in protecting the body from external harm and regulating temperature. The scales of reptiles are part of their integumentary system, offering protection and reducing water loss. Dermatologists specialize in diagnosing and treating disorders of the integumentary system. The feathers of birds serve as an integumentary structure, providing insulation and aiding in flight. Physiology is noun, the branch of biology that deals with the study of the normal functions and processes of living organisms and their parts, including the physical and chemical mechanisms underlying biological functions. The scientific discipline that investigates the functions and activities of cells, tissues, organs, and systems within an organism, encompassing areas such as metabolism, growth, reproduction, and adaptation. Understanding the physiology of the respiratory system is essential for diagnosing and treating conditions such as asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, and pneumonia. Research in exercise physiology investigates the effects of physical activity and training on muscle function, cardiovascular health, and metabolic processes. Physiological studies of sleep help elucidate the mechanisms underlying sleep-wake cycles, circadian rhythms, and the restorative functions of sleep. The physiology of digestion involves the complex interplay of enzymes, hormones, and muscular contractions in breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. Physiology explores how the human body maintains homeostasis through the coordination of various physiological systems, such as the nervous, endocrine, and cardiovascular systems. Digestive is adjective, capable of breaking down food and absorbing nutrients, relating to or aiding the process of digestion. Fiber-rich foods like fruits and vegetables promote healthy digestive function. Probiotic yogurt contains beneficial bacteria that support digestive health. The digestive system consists of organs such as the stomach and intestines, which work together to break down food. Digestive enzymes help the body digest carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Consuming excessive amounts of alcohol can impair digestive function and lead to stomach problems. Circulatory as adjective. Pertaining to the movement or distribution of something in a circular or circuitous manner. Relating to or involved in the circulation of fluids, especially blood, through the body. Regular exercise can improve circulatory health by strengthening the heart and blood vessels. Cold temperatures can restrict circulatory flow, leading to numbness or tingling in the extremities. A balanced diet contributes to optimal circulatory function, reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. The circulatory system plays a crucial role in delivering oxygen and nutrients to cells and removing waste products. Massage therapy can promote relaxation and improve circulatory efficiency by enhancing blood flow. Circulatory as noun. Relating to the circulatory system, which consists of the heart, blood vessels, and blood, responsible for circulating blood throughout the body. The process or act of circulating or moving in a circular or circuitous path. Poor circulation can lead to numbness or tingling in the extremities. The circulatory pattern of ocean currents affects global climate and weather patterns. A healthy lifestyle can improve circulatory health and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. The company implemented a new circulatory route for delivering products to customers more efficiently. The circulatory system is essential for maintaining the flow of blood throughout the body. Cranial as adjective. Located or occurring near or around the skull. Relating to the skull or cranium. The cranial bones provide protection to the brain from external injuries. The surgeon performed a delicate cranial surgery to remove the tumor from the brain. The cranial nerves control various functions such as vision, hearing, and facial movements. The impact of the accident caused severe cranial trauma, requiring immediate medical attention. The doctor ordered a cranial MRI to examine the patient's brain for any abnormalities. Reproductive as adjective. Capable of or involved in reproduction. Relating to the production of offspring or new individuals. Some animals exhibit reproductive behaviors such as courtship rituals and mating displays. Female mammals have reproductive systems that support pregnancy and childbirth. The reproductive organs undergo changes during puberty to enable sexual maturation. Reproductive health education aims to provide information about contraception and family planning. Pollination is a crucial step in the reproductive cycle of flowering plants. Anatomy as noun. The branch of science concerned with the bodily structure of humans, animals, and other living organisms, especially as revealed by dissection and the separation of parts. The physical structure of a living organism or any of its parts. The study of human anatomy involves learning about the organs, tissues, and systems that make up the body. The surgeon carefully studied the anatomy of the patient's heart before performing the operation. The anatomy of a frog includes its skeletal structure, internal organs, and muscular system. Comparative anatomy examines the similarities and differences in the anatomical structures of different species. Understanding the anatomy of plants is essential for botanists studying their growth and development. Digestive as noun. A food or drink consumed after a meal to aid digestion. A substance, such as an enzyme, that aids in the process of digestion. Papaya contains natural digestive enzymes that help break down proteins in the stomach. Some people take digestive supplements to alleviate digestive discomfort or improve nutrient absorption. Pineapple contains bromelain, a digestive enzyme that helps break down proteins. Peppermint oil is sometimes used as a digestive aid to relieve symptoms of indigestion. Ginger tea is often used as a digestive to soothe upset stomachs. Lymphatic is noun. A person or organism affected by a disorder or condition of the lymphatic system. A vessel that conveys lymph, a clear fluid that is derived from interstitial fluid and circulates in the lymphatic system. Researchers are studying new treatments to improve lymphatic function in patients with lymphedema. Damage to the lymphatics can impair immune function and lead to swelling and fluid accumulation. Lymphatics are an integral part of the body's defense against infection and disease. The lymphatics transport lymph from the tissues to the bloodstream. Patients with lymphatic disorders may require specialized medical care and support to manage their condition. Abdominal as adjective. Involving or affecting the muscles, organs, or structures in the abdomen. Relating to or situated in the abdomen, the region of the body between the chest and the pelvis. The yoga pose involves stretching the abdominal muscles while breathing deeply. The doctor performed an abdominal examination to check for any signs of tenderness or swelling. Abdominal exercises such as crunches and planks help strengthen the core muscles. She experienced severe abdominal pain and sought medical attention immediately. The surgery was performed to remove a tumor from her abdominal cavity. Skeletal as adjective. Extremely thin or emaciated, with little flesh or muscle, gaunt or bony in appearance. Relating to or resembling the skeleton, the bony structure of a vertebrate organism. The athlete's skeletal frame made him well suited for long-distance running. The skeletal remains found in the cave were identified as those of a prehistoric human. The abandoned factory stood as a skeletal reminder of the town's industrial past. The old house had a skeletal appearance, with its weathered boards and missing shingles. She appeared skeletal after weeks of illness and barely eating anything. Respiratory as adjective. Relating to or affecting respiration or the organs of respiration. Used for breathing. Smoking has a detrimental effect on respiratory health. Respiratory diseases such as asthma can be triggered by environmental factors. Pollution can cause respiratory problems for individuals living in urban areas. The respiratory system includes organs such as the lungs and trachea. Respiratory therapists specialize in treating conditions affecting the lungs and airways. Urinary as adjective. Pertaining to the process or function of urination. Relating to the organs or structures involved in the production and excretion of urine. Drinking plenty of water helps maintain urinary health and prevents dehydration. The doctor specializes in treating urinary disorders and kidney diseases. Certain medications can affect urinary function and may cause side effects such as frequent urination. The urinary system includes organs such as the kidneys, bladder, and urethra. Urinary tract infections are common bacterial infections affecting the bladder or kidneys. Urinary as noun. A substance or preparation intended to promote urination or treat urinary disorders. An aspect or characteristic related to urination or the urinary system. Urinary frequency and urgency are common symptoms of overactive bladder syndrome. The patient was prescribed a urinary alkalizer to help alleviate discomfort caused by urinary tract infection. The nurse provided instructions on how to collect a clean urinary specimen for testing. The laboratory analyzed the urine sample to detect any abnormalities in urinary composition. The pharmacy stocks various urinary aids, including catheters and incontinence pads. Level up your English. Master vocabulary, idioms, and phrasal verbs with fun quizzes. Translate meanings into 104 languages. Download now. Link in the description. Please like and subscribe to our channel.